Frustrated by seeing this channel can't be displayed on Telegram? Let's get you back to your chats in under 90 seconds. First, make sure you're running the latest version of Telegram. Head over to the App Store and check if there is an update button. Outdated apps can often trigger this error, so updating is your first line of defense. If updating didn't do the trick, Telegram's content restrictions may be the culprit. Head into your Telegram settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Can't find the disable filtering option on your phone? No problem. Log into Telegram web on your computer. The setting is often found there once disabled. The effect carries over to your mobile app. Still no luck. Sometimes restrictions are placed on specific accounts. Contact Telegram support to inquire if your account has any limitations. If the previous steps didn't work, they will be able to identify if this is the reason you are unable to access the channel. And that's it. One of these troubleshooting steps should have fixed the "this channel can't be displayed" error, allowing you to access your favorite Telegram content. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Telegram tips and tricks.